As you are all aware, India and Bhutan share a relationship of exceptional trust, mutual respect, and understanding. This is a relationship that is rooted in cultural and civilizational ties, extensive people-to-people relations, and our shared developmental and security interests. These ties are reflected in very close contact at the highest levels. You would perhaps recall that Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi visited Bhutan last year in March 2024, a visit during which he was conferred the Order of the Druk Gyalpo, which is the highest civilian award of Bhutan. His Majesty, the King of Bhutan, and the Prime Minister of Bhutan have been visiting India regularly. His Majesty the King was here earlier for attending the Mahakumbh, and the Prime Minister was here just a few weeks ago to attend the consecration of the Bhutanese temple in Rajgir. Just a few words about some of the major areas of cooperation. Energy and power is one of the highlights of this particular relationship. Our two governments have successfully collaborated on joint development of 5 hydroelectric projects. These are Chukha, Tala, Mangdechu, Kurechu, and the Punatsangchu 2, which has just been completed very recently. In addition, Punatsangchu 1 is under construction. Apart from this, there are Indian private companies now that are engaging with Bhutanese authorities to develop power projects in Bhutan. Two governments have agreed to establish 2 cross-border rail links between Banarhat and Samse and Kokrajhar and Gelefu. This will be the first set of rail connectivity projects with Bhutan. The memorandum of understanding for this connectivity was actually signed during the visit of the Prime Minister to Bhutan that I mentioned a short while ago last year, the one that took place last year. And this MOU will be formally signed later today in New Delhi on the occasion of the visit of the Bhutanese Foreign Secretary to New Delhi.